Wheel. Dreaming of a wheel represents time and can be a symbol of a new life cycle, the beginning of a new stage or cardinal changes. The wheel dream refers to warning dreams that want to warn you about something. A dream about tires usually suggests that you should move on in your life and avoid dwelling on the past so much. If you dream of two wheels, coupled with each other, it indicates that your secret desires will soon come true, and the person whom you like will respond to your feelings. Riding a single tire in the dream suggests that you will be creative with your limited resource. If you see tire tracks within the dream, and this indicates blockage and delay. In dreams which fast spinning wheels are seen, the dreamer's energy and prudence will help him achieve what he wants. If the wheel rotates in the opposite direction, you will expect a repetition of what was once in your life. A broken or motionless wheel can be a symbol of death, failure, or departure of someone close to you. A broken wheel symbolizes the collapse of life plans and the inability to fulfill one's desires. Flipping tires in a dream as a part of exercise, training, or weight loss session suggests that you need to utilize various items to achieve your goals. To see a tire punctured in a dream represents new beginnings and also uncontrollable emotions. If the wheels are in perfect order, you will be lucky and lucky. Seeing a wheel in a dream indicates that the steps taken in family life and business life are suspicious, the problems will be improved and the breaks will end. To dream of new tires indicates that you will eventually succeed. This will be due to your determination and motivation in life. A rotating Ferris wheel or other mechanical device is a symbol of the movement of time and the course of life, but if it spins too fast, you will have a troublesome period, and if it spins very slowly, you may face hard and painstaking work. Seeing a tire in a dream is associated with the need to move on in life. Dreaming of a wheel that is spinning fast is a sign of the upcoming big changes. If it spins slowly or does not spin at all, it means that you will have a small material loss in the near future. If you had a dream where you have found a wheel in the wheat field, this dream suggests that someone who likes you will present you a nice gift that will be remembered for a long time and will be the first step to living together, and can help to realize some desires both of you. If in a dream you manually roll a wheel, then you should not waste your strength and abilities, but use them to your advantage. When you see a wheel explode in your dream, it indicates that the abundance of your work will go bad, your expenses related to your work will be wasted. A flat tire represents your emotions, the fact that you are feeling somewhat confused and perhaps misrepresented. If you dream that a wheel came off a car or a truck, it's a bad sign. It means that someone of your new friends whom you trust is a traitor. A vehicle with a wheel falling off or flattened is a harbinger of failure, and in order to deal with it, you will have to come up with something non-standard. Dreaming that your tires fall out and come off car while driving indicates that you will have sudden panic about an ongoing challenge. If you dream of sitting on a cart with very big wheels, you will receive some news about a person whom you have unsuccessfully looked for a long time. When you dream that you are driving a car with abnormal wheels or another faulty, it implies that something will keep you away from you advancing forward. To see a car running on tires too small for it symbolizes that you are running with poor condition and efficiency. A wheel in a dream is a sign of repeatability, first of all, returning of old problems. A bike tire in a dream indicates there are difficulties that are distracting you in a moment. If the bike tire is punctured, then this represents a feeling of depression. A broken wheel in a dream is a sign of failure in career. If you dream that you lubricate a wheel, you will have a big profit in the near future. A spinning wheel indicates changes ahead. A lost wheel foretells an accident warning. When you had a dream about wheels, it means that you will see a new environment, and this environment will make your work easier. Replacing a wheel can mean that things will go slower than we would like. Changing the car tire in the dream also implies you will correct the negativities, regain the lost goods, and reunite the broken people. If you are changing a tire in a dream, then this is positive dream, and it means that you need to look at your goals and try and follow a new path in life. Changing tires in the dream suggests that you need to re-evaluate your goals and approach to move forward. If the tire is deflated in a dream, this indicates that you are feeling unable to focus on what is important in life. Flat tire also represents that you are feeling a sense of low self-esteem. A dream in which you are trying to pull away on a cart with a horse and you notice that the wheels are blocked with sticks inside it foretells great problems and troubles in the near future. Dreaming of taking apart a wheel indicates the necessity to be ready for the unexpected requests for help from strangers. Beautiful wheels on a car or other transport are a sign of quick and successful achievement of your set goals. If your tires are stolen in a dream and this indicates that you are feeling that somebody is taking away your motivation. To dream that you have tires being lost, missing, or stolen indicates that your employees, clients or projects will be poached by someone who is jealous of your work. Dreams of new set of tires points to new chapters in your life. To see tires in a dream can also dictate the feeling of tired and being fed up with everyday life. If you are stranded due to a blown out or flat tire, then this can indicate that you are feeling unsupported in waking life. To dream that you get a flat tire puncture from nails signifies that you will suffer from a period of confusion. To see that your tires are worn out and missing treads portends that your goals will have no traction to become successful. To see tires being slashed and broken by a knife in the dream reflects harsh criticism in waking life. Dreams about a car wheel falling off expresses your inner desires to live without having to worry about financial and material troubles. This dream is a premonition for some situation in which time is running out. It is time to give up on this dead-end relationship or unprofitable projects. A dream about a tire means some progress in life or what is happening in your life at a particular time. When the tires are damaged in your dream, then it means that you are having some problems that are hindering your progress. When there are more tires that are damaged in your dream, it shows that you have a lot of difficulties or several problems that are hindering your progress. The wheel symbolizes humility, work and care. Putting on snow tire chain in the dream suggests that you need to try to get more traction against slippery situation and harsh weather. To lose a wheel from a vehicle is to lose motivation or direction, to be thrown off balance. To see tires popping because you have overinflated tires or to high pressure signifies that you will operate with high pressure ego and confidence in the coming days. The dream portends that soon something is about to break and you will lose control of your life because of your strong ego. Dreaming that you are fixing and repairing tire punctures suggests that you are removing the naysayers in your life. Dreaming of a spare tire refers to backup plans if your main one fails.